Hey everyone, John here. Today we're diving into something big that's happening right now inside the Solana ecosystem. If you've been anywhere near crypto lately, you've probably heard one word everywhere: airdrops. But what does that actually mean? An airdrop is basically free crypto. Projects reward early users, active community members, and people who interact with their platforms. It's a way to say thank you and to build momentum before their next major launch. And right now, Solana is absolutely buzzing. DeFi protocols, NFT projects, and new applications are all preparing upcoming airdrops. Some reward users for staking, others for trading, and some simply for holding SOL or using the ecosystem. It's important to remember that airdrops always happen on the official site. That's the only place where you should ever connect your wallet. Now, let me show you how this works in practice. I'm on the official site and I'm connecting my Phantom wallet. This is a standard wallet connection. I'm not signing anything suspicious, just approving the connection. Once the wallet is connected, the site automatically checks eligibility based on past activity inside the Solana ecosystem. As you can see, the airdrop is available. I confirm the transaction, approve it in Phantom, and wait a few seconds. And that's it. The crypto is sent directly to my wallet. Personally, I received 5 SOL from this airdrop, straight to my Phantom wallet. No emails, no middlemen, no private keys. Everything happens directly on the official site. This is exactly how legitimate Solana airdrops work. So if you've been watching from the sidelines, this might be your wake-up call. Solana could be entering one of its biggest airdrop seasons yet, and you don't want to miss it.